Hi, it's Dr. Elisha Van Dusen with New Hope Chiropractic. Carbs get a bad rap. Not only do carbohydrates provide energy, they're vital for your gut and brain health as well as your muscles. But we're often being told to either cut them out or at least limit the consumption of them. So let's look at the role of carbohydrates in the body, the different types, associated benefits, and how many you need per day, and then how to choose the best carbs. Carbs really don't need to be limited, but can play key roles in your health as long as you choose the right kind, including those that contain fiber and may be composed of whole grains. So what are carbs? Well, they're one of the three main nutrients, macronutrients, with the other two being fat and protein. They consist of sugar, starches, and fiber, and they're often found in foods like grains, fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. Carbs are the body's primary source of energy, as these foods are broken down into glucose, and they fuel various bodily functions and also physical activity. Carbs can be parts of food that the body doesn't digest, fiber, and carbs can also be added to processed foods such as fructose, which is a fruit carbohydrate being used to sweeten drinks. There are three main types of carbs. One is sugars. These are simple carbs. These simple sugars are made of one or two types of sugar. For example, fructose in fruit and honey, lactose composed of two sugar units, and then dairy products. Those are lactoses in dairy products. And then you have sucrose, which is glucose and fructose together, which is table sugar. Number two, you have starch. These are complex carbs. These are composed of many sugar units that are bonded together. They occur naturally in whole grains, beans, and vegetables. They take longer than simple carbs to break down in the body, leading to a more gradual increase in blood sugar levels. And then there's fiber, which is another complex carb. It's a carbohydrate found in plants, and fiber doesn't get broken down by the body at all, but can be used by the gut bacteria to help move waste through your GI tract. And there are two types of fiber. There's soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forms a gel-like substance in your digestive system, and then insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water and remains intact as it moves through your digestive system. So these are the types of carbs that you have. Next, in the next video, I'll talk about the role of carbs in the body and some of the benefits. So check us out at newhopechiropractic.com. Make sure you're getting regular adjustments, because if the nervous system supplied to your gut and your digestive system is shot and is not working properly, guess what? You're not going to be digesting the food that you are eating as well. So even if you're eating good carbs, good foods, they're healthy for you, you're not going to maximize nutritional benefit. Check us out at newhopechiropractic.com. Have a healthy day.